Okay, today I'm in what they call Eden Cemetery in Pike County, Ohio, searching for the grave of Sarah Hemings Bird. Now, Sarah was the daughter of Madison Hemings, who lived in Huntington Township, Ross County, Ohio. The significance of Sarah is, other than being the daughter of Madison Hemings, who was the son of Sally Hemings. And Sally Hemings bore children by the father being Thomas Jefferson, third president of the United States. And this, according to what I have read, Sarah here would have been his granddaughter, Thomas Jefferson, that is. So here we have it. Sarah, wife of Reuben Bird, born November 9th, 1835, died November 11th, 1884, daughter of Madison Hemings, and granddaughter of Sally Hemings and Thomas Jefferson. And I guess historians have not come to a conclusion on this, but I'm going to go with that narrative that this Sarah here would have been the granddaughter of Thomas Jefferson, third president of the United States. And it says on her marker, Sarah, wife of Reuben Bird, born November 9th, 1835, died November 11th, 1884. And over here, obviously, is Sarah's husband, Reuben Bird, 1832 to 1863. And next to Reuben is a grave of Anna Bird, 1861 to 1863. So, looks like she was only a couple years old. So here we have it, the Bird family. A lot of old markers. Some are even lying on the ground. And here we just have rocks denoting that that's a grave. Alrighty. And here we have it. As you can see, very rural out here. Some houses over there. More veterans down there. So anyway, thanks for watching. This is Bob, signing out.